Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope that all you are well at your home and passing great time by studying and playing and doing lots of fun. Today, we'll take a class for English first paper for the students of class 3. And today, we will learn a very interesting thing, and that is also very much important in your daily classroom life or educational life, or to be introduced with a new friend. That is very much important. So, my dear students, today we will learn from our textbook, and that is, you all know what is the textbook. That is called English for Today. What is English for Today? Okay, please take the textbook in your hand and open page number 6. Open page number 6. Today we will learn about page number 6 and 7. Okay, 6 and 7. So dear students, already your other teacher has taken class on Ria Islam and Mr. Mahabub Alam. You know that there are two scene comprehension from that two chapter. So today we will learn what unit 3 page 6 and 7, and the topic, especially the topic, will be related to dialogue. What? Dialogue. So it will be I think it will be a great fun, and it will be a very interesting class for you, so that you will learn something new. And what is that? That is called dialogue. That is called dialogue. Okay, how we should make a conversation with new people, make a conversation with a new student. Okay, we will learn through that. So my dear students, please open page number 6, and you can see some pictures here. What? You can see the pictures of two girls and one boy. Two girls and one boy. So what they are doing? Let's check. First one, the boy, if you watch the picture carefully, a boy and a girl is standing beside, okay, standing very close. The boy is actually asking. What is? The boy is actually asking. And on the top you will find three names. On the top you will find three names, that is Kea, Ria and Mashu. Kea, Ria and Mashu. These three students, these three boys and girls are conversing within themselves. Okay, so first Mashuk is asking, who's that? Who's that? Okay, that is a contraction, that is actually who is that. Okay, that has been shortened and it's become who's that. Okay, so what does it mean? It means he wants to know from other girl that who is that girl. Who's that means here who is that girl. So Ria, okay, you have learned earlier about Ria is a girl student. So Ria is standing with Mashuk and he said, that's Kea. That's Kea. That means Ria knows the other girl earlier, okay, but Mashuk don't. So what does it mean? That is actually that is. Okay, that is. So in English, it's a very interesting and useful method to write something in short, clear. So they have written that is in short, that's Kea. She is a new student. She is a new student. Okay. So, what does it mean? She is giving the introduction that she is a new student. Okay. Now, Mashuk. Again, if you see in the bottom part that there is here written all these dialogues. Okay. What are they? Mashuk. Mashuk is saying hello. What? Hello. Hello, after hello, there is a sign given. There is a sign given. That is called exclamation sign. What? Exclamation sign. Okay. So, in that chapter, you also have to know many more signs. Okay, that's a very important. That's are called in English punctuation and sign for different parts. So earlier you only know, I think, that's called full stop, that's called question mark, but in that chapter you will learn something more. Okay, so hello, Kia, I'm Mashuk, where are you from? So look at the board, my dear students. That is I apostrophe am, that is I am. Okay, in short it's become okay, and it is here I am. In broken it is I am. So he says I'm Mashuk, where are you from? He wants to know that where does she come from. So Kia again says, Kia replies, I'm from Khulna. Okay. So what is Khulna? Khulna is the name of a place. And you. Here, this is very much important, my dear students. Why? Because and you, it's actually what? And where are you from? That is the full question. What is full question? But here she says only and you. He says only and you. But what does and you mean? And you means and where are you from? And where are you from? Clear? So in English you can also shorten a full sentence within a very short words. Okay, for example, you can tell somebody, please give me a glass of water to drink, and instead of that you just can say, please water please, or please water. Okay, that's enough, and the other person will understand you what do you actually want. So and you, that is shortened, and where are you from? Okay, so Mashuk, I am from Sylhet. Okay, I am from Sylhet, and so is Ria. That is also very much important. Mashuk is saying that I am from Sylhet. That means he comes from Sylhet. He has come from Sylhet, and so is Ria. So is Ria. That's very important sentence. What does it mean? It means that Ria has also come from Sylhet, and so is Ria. It means Ria has also come from Sylhet. So you can see here that we can say many things in many different way. Okay, in English we can say the sentences in many different way. So Ria, where do you live? Now there is another question, where do you live? So Kya, I live near the school. Okay, that she I live near the school. She lives near the school. That means very close to school, beside school. Would you like to come to my house? Okay, so would you like? What would you like? That is very much important also, because whenever you will want to know from anybody anything, you can ask by would you like. For example, would you like to have a cup of tea? Okay, then would you like to go with me? Would you like to listen music? Would you like to watch a movie? So there may be many more questions by would you like. What would you like? Clear? So you can also talk to your mom, dad. For example, mom, would you like to give me a glass of milk? Okay. You can ask your dad also, would you like to take me for an outing? Okay. You can also select that. Ria, I look at that. I'd like that. Thank you. I'd like that. That means I apostrophe D, that is I would. In short, that is I would. Dear student, that's very much important. This will come in future frequently to your lessons. Okay, so you have to know that. And there is another interesting thing, that I D. It also may be I had. What it may be I had, but there is not this is I had, there is I would, but I'm giving you example because in future it may come also like that. Thank you. Mashuk, sorry but I can't. Sorry but I can't. Okay, so here is also a short contraction, and what is that? Can't. Okay, can't can be actually cannot. What? Cannot. In short, it becomes can't. Okay, sorry but I can't. That is another message for you. Many times we find that students go with their friends without informing their parents. Okay, that's not good. Never, it is never a good job, because your parents may be very much anxious for you at home. So never do that. If you wanted to go with your friend to his home or to her home, you must have to inform to your parents first. Okay, so and if somebody offers you to go, you shouldn't go without any reason. Okay, that is very much important. So dear students, we have learned how to form a dialogue. How to form a dialogue. So dear students, that will be your homework. Okay, write a dialogue between you and a new friend who has just got admission in your class. Dear student, you don't need to be panicked. You don't need to be very much anxious about that. That's very easy. Okay, just we have discussed a dialogue. You will write like this, that you will just ask him questions, simple questions. What is your name? Okay, where do you come from? What was the name of your previous school? And he will answer. He also may ask you some questions like, where do you live? Okay, how long have you been studying in the school? Okay, very simple conversation, and you directly take help from the book so that you can understand. Okay, so dear students, watch the class carefully. Okay, and try to make some sentences for the homework, and after doing this, you will take a photograph and upload in the comment section so that I can understand you have done it well. And listen, you never miss to give your name, section and roll number to the comment box, because it is considering as the attendance of you. So for today, that's all, and you must do that and give you by today's afternoon, before afternoon. Okay, and I hope that you will enjoy that and doing the work will be also interesting for you. So thank you all. Goodbye. Fuck her in the Benz.